this is all about our designer in job. So now let's move last section, which is our admin console. Here, this is our admin console, management console. This is basically for monitoring your job, batch job, scheduling your job, seeing all the jobs execution statistics, and then you can generate some reports using dashboards and all kind of things. Here also, it's coming with a separate dashboard thing, where that's the same what Bala demonstrated, that with arrow and all. This is coming with that. You can go there and see those things, how your job has been executed in that particular repository. That's also as per your repository. Then impact and lineage analysis you can do it. What impact and lineage analysis will do is, when you click on that impact tab, it will show you the table or the column, and it will show you where all these columns have been used in all the jobs in this repository. So if you are doing any changes in that particular table or column, you would be able to view it and decide whether it should be done or not. It will be affecting these many columns and those things. So accordingly, you just check it in your admin console and then decide whether that is really required or not. All the things like administrator, this is completely for administrating purposes. This is your impact and lineage analysis. This is operational dashboard. This is auto documentation. It will give you a document and graphical view of your jobs which we have created. Okay, and then you can take a report out of these things. Okay, then this is a data validation. You can click on that. What all data you have transferred or you are doing in your job. It will just show you the validation. And this is related with your data quality product, data quality cleansing transformation. So let's come to our admin. This is the major part where we need to install scheduling, weekly, daily basis monitoring and all the things like that. Okay. Now if you go to a batch, these are the repositories which is registered, train and custom worker, hours per train. You click on it. These all are the jobs available under this repository. It's all the last status is the displayed. Okay. Job server is this one. Port number is this. These all are the names. You can do ignore status, delete the job listing here, and then these all are the trace. This job last execution trace it will be logging in, monitor log, error log is the performance monitor. It will show you the performance log. That's what can be achieved, what performance this job is giving. And start time, end time, duration, how much duration it takes for your job execution. This is the overview. Now if you go to your batch job configuration, here all your jobs is there under this project. We are trained, all will be listed. You can do execute, it will be acting as a run now. It will execute from here also. You can select add a schedule. You can add it same way like our scheduling our value of report, same way you can schedule it depending upon your that thing, once a day, multiple days, the time, job execution parameters. Here also we can visible the company, all we are doing is just execution. Then repository schedule. Repository schedule is not added. If you want, you can add and activate your repository schedule. Yeah. Export, yes. So it will just export that execution command and you can use it using your third party document. Yeah, and it will display you the schedule which is already existing for this. You can drop down, select any particular project only and all something. Then this will display you about your RFP server interface. If you configure your HTTP system, it will display. You can manage it from here also. Adapter instances. These are our job servers which you created that day. Server groups you can create it here. Like you can create and add 2-3 servers in that server group. Same thing. Like suppose this one is one. I can add it here like this. Select this. Apply. store existing in this. You can change the connection here also and apply it, save it. Repository server configuration, report server. Yes. Connections, then logs also you can see. Export certification logs with a date range. Login. Fine. These all are the things, everything related to your job. Like when you are certifying your repository to your CMC. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Once we created the local repository that day using our repository manager, right? That is created. After creating, we need to integrate to CMC, CMS, our CMS team. So basically, we are certifying this in our CMS. Okay. So while certifying, if anything happens, if it's not correct, those logs will be captured. So you will be able to view that why it's not certifying or it's not certifying. This is all administrator things. Everything you can do manage here. Access server, job server, real-time jobs, batch jobs. Now next is impact and lineage. As I told, impact and lineage analysis will do impact and lineage for your table and column universe. Okay, like suppose you are using a report information is stored into one application. It will give you integration from the target table, and then you will create a universe, map it. So those universes will be captured here. Okay, so you can see what suppose you are going to change one column. You can see what all universes will be impacted with that, where exactly. Complete view it will give you. All implemented. So right now I have selected this repository. Test repo is the first one which I have created, so it's listed here. I want to see our train repo. So we need to do a settings here. Train I select, apply. Okay. Now this is our repository where data is stored is ts_train, where these are tables we have imported. Now if suppose I want to see like customer table. This is the overview. Go to impact. This customer table has been used. These things, cost_CDC. This column has been used in this data flow. Right? So this will give you all the impacted places where all it is. Column level till you can see. You expand it. City column has been used anywhere. Right? Lineage will look backward. Like from where the data is coming for this table. Coming from ODS. Right? Yeah. So this is basically impact and lineage. It is completely with your DB side. Whatever DB we are using in our data store. Now dashboard. Yes. Complete jobs average situation. If you want to see a detailed one also you can see. If suppose I want to see this one, right? I'll just check it. Drill down is here. Yeah, all three jobs. Okay. Screen is fast, some warning is there, then that one red one was the late one. Yes, so all whatever jobs you have executed till the time we created this repository will be captured. Yes. View all history if you want to click it here, it will display you completely all the jobs, all the repositories. You can set view history for 7 days. Okay, here if you select, you can set any date. The job, if repo is not there, those dates will be skipped. Okay, the date you created your first job and executed that job, from that only you will see a start date and give you all the details. You can select, you can do anything. this is your documentation. This will give you the report template. Suppose I want to see this case job.